This is the next day. We have our seitan completely rested and it's ready to be shredded, and then we're gonna make fajitas. Doesn't it look like it look like chicken breasts? I guess the shredding thing that people get, like the shredding machine to shred a chicken, would be useful now because my hands are so cold. Because the seitan came from the fridge, so my hands are so cold. This is it. This is your seitan, completely shredded, and we're gonna make fajitas. Fajitas is pretty much stir-fried with a lot of peppers, a lot of onions, and then you have a spice mix. I bought a fajita spice mix, so I didn't have to struggle, but I suppose there are so many recipes online with fajitas on it. I think you will be fine. Yep, here, your seitan. As a woman that grew up in the early 2000s, I find it quite fascinating how we all, or most of us, grew up with eating disorders that have been undiagnosed or that have been just forgotten, and now it's coming all to the surface, and it's quite scary because the rage and the growth of skinny talking and eating disorders is becoming so rampage that I really feel the need to speak my truth about it. As someone who grew up with a lot of eating disorders and had to make solid efforts to not go back, to not slip, every single day I need to make a conscious that you need to have all your meals. You need to make sure that the relationship that you have with food is healthy. Binge eating or under eating are all parts of eating disorders. And as a society, we cannot go back. So one thing that you're gonna see in this page will always be me. Please come get your fajita. It is ready. I'm just gonna ask you maybe once in a while for you to exchange your source of protein for something plant-based, but that's pretty much it. I will never, ever, ever promote the idea of you should eat less or you should do this, do that to become skinny. Please, let's be conscious of our platforms online and not promote this type of rhetoric.
Okay. Right, do I have to be that close? Oh, it's excellent. Excellent. Really yummy.
You like it? Mm-hmm. Can I try one with the chamoy instead of ketchup, or you prefer the ketchup?
The what?
Chamoy.
What's that?
This is chamoy. Do you want to try? Just a little bit.
Yeah, no spicy.
It's not spicy. Try. He's broken.
Whatever that is.
Oh my gosh, so good. It's good, no? I do think with the chamoy is better, but you are broken. So, bro, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.